Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to see Doordash credits. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Doordash. So open up your Doordash app and then log into your account. So you need to log into your account in order to see your credits and your account information. So log into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, so once you're on your home page here, so simply click on your profile icon here. So on your top, you'll see a profile option. Simply click on it. So once you get to your account option here, so what you have next is just click on this payment method option here. Simply click on the payment method option, and then under payment methods, you will see an option called DoorDash credits. So this will list your available credits. So whatever amount you have on your account as credits, it will be mentioned here. So like mine this, I don't have any, so it's $0, but you should see whatever credit you have. So this credit will be automatically applied to your order whenever you make an order. So these credits will be automatically applied to it and will be used. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.